Thinking of cramming a ton of affiliate program reviews onto one Google site's landing page? Let's find out if that's a recipe for success or a guaranteed flop. First, consider SEO. Google loves focused content. A single page trying to rank for multiple, unrelated affiliate products will likely struggle. Search engines prefer websites that are built with search engine optimization in mind. Next, user experience. Imagine visiting a page bombarded with reviews of everything from dog food to web hosting. Overwhelming, right? You risk confusing visitors and losing potential conversions. A good user interface should always be thought of. Crucially, check the terms of service of each affiliate program. Some explicitly forbid promoting them alongside competitors or may have specific guidelines about how you present their product. Breaking the rules gets you kicked out. Instead of a single overloaded page, consider creating separate, focused pages within your Google site for each affiliate program. This is better for SEO, provides a cleaner user experience, and makes it easier to comply with individual program terms. By strategically organizing your content and adhering to best practices, you can build a successful affiliate marketing presence using Google Sites, avoiding the pitfalls of the dreaded on-a-page review. This will ensure success.